Hi, my name is Corinne Woods. I'm the founder and director of Little Blessings, and I'm here today at the Ross County Animal Shelter where they're at maximum capacity. My friends and I would like to introduce you to some new friends.
My name's Keegan and this is Stitch. He's a pit bull dachshund mix. He's a good cuddler, he's really laid back and he's ready to be adopted. He's a good best friend.
Hi, my name is Hudson. This is Alvin. He's an 8-year-old Chihuahua mix. He's very loving and he's ready for a new home.
Hi, my name is Corinne and this is Lilo. She's 1 year old and she's a dachshund pit bull mix. She's very loving and kind, and it would be super awesome if her and her brother could be adopted out together because they have a really good bond. And she's good with children.
Hi, my name is Kirsten and this is Shannon. She's a blue tick coonhound. She's 2 years old. She loves treats and she takes them really easily, and she's waiting for her forever home.
My puppy's name is Violet. Wouldn't you like to have Violet in your home?
I hope you enjoyed this as much as we did, so come on down to the Ross County Humane Society. Adopt, don't shop.